Take me through the process of a smile makeover.
Sure, it's very simple actually, and we have a really good program in doing this and have developed a great technique. The first thing that's going to happen is the patient's going to meet with myself and the staff, and we're going to discuss what needs to be changed or what they don't like. From there, once the decision has been made to move forward, we go ahead and we design everything in wax, like you see in this picture here. So this wax up is my blueprint to the smile. From there, we then go on to the temporaries. If you look at this picture, this is a picture of the patient's temporaries, and it looks very similar to the wax up. Once the patient has worn those temporaries for a while and the veneers are ready to be seated, we set the veneers in place, let the patient look at them, make sure everything looks correct. Meeting with the patient will actually meet the lab technician that's made the veneers, and then we put everything on. It's that simple. So you can see there's about 3 or 4, even 5 checkpoints along the way to make sure that the patient's getting the smile that they wanted, and it's not a surprise. I hope you like it. It's something that's been thought out from day one.
So what would you say to someone who's unhappy with their smile?
I would say come in and meet with me. Don't delay. This isn't something that you have to wait to deserve. A lot of times patients will feel like they need to wait for a high school reunion or a birthday to deserve this. It's something that can be done very quickly and easily. So my biggest thing that I would say is just don't wait. Pick up the phone and make the call.